We made over 300 points on the US 30. Want to know how? Right after this video. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to Circle of Wealth channel. My name is KC, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, give a like so you can get all of our updates. All right, you don't want to miss out. I'm giving out all of my analysis almost every other day on market sentiment, my price predictions of the assets that we trade, and so on. So make sure you lock in. Right, so first up, let's talk about the VIX, guys. Why are we talking about the VIX? The VIX is helping us to figure out market sentiment. So first up, let's break down what is the market's mood right now. We've got some key indicators that we can use that will give us some kind of direction and help us navigate these markets, right? So the VIX is at 18.61. It's increasing, which is signaling bearish vibes. The total put call ratio is 1.29. Anything over a 1 is increasing in puts over calls, showing again extremely bearish sentiment. We also look at the equity put call ratio, which is 0.94, almost hitting 1, which means that the puts are overpowering the calls and increasing. Everything is pointing to a very bearish sentiment. Then we looked at the actual overall golden flow ratio of institutional orders, and we're seeing a lot of puts coming into the market. I saw a $2 million put this morning alone. All of these things give me the inclination that obviously we're in a bearish market. We're going to see a short-term rebound. I predict a short-term rebound in all of these indexes, majority of the assets, unless it's something like gold, and then we're going to see a trend continuation to the downside. So let's break down each asset. And guys, you can get all of this in the Circle of Wealth Discord. If you look here on the screen, the link should be below in the bio or the description of the YouTube video. It's free. Jump in. I do overall analysis every week of what are the market economical indicators that are coming out, or news events that are going to move the market this week, and also what is the market sentiment. Very important before you look at anything you're trading. Know what the big boys are doing. I can't stress it enough. So again, overall, like I said, bearish. Why? Because of all of the interest in the puts. It's put city right now, as I like to call it. So the first asset we're going to look at, which is what I trade mostly, Dow Jones Industrial Average, are also known as US 30. Current price is 33,550.27. I am seeing inclinations that we're going to go to 33.2. And why am I doing that? I just spoke about it. The given market sentiment, some of the bond yields showing huge increase in returns, which is turning away a lot of money from the actual index or the stock market, essentially. SPYs I'm looking at right now, it is 426.05. Again, my prediction is that we're going to be somewhere around 420 by week's end. Continued bearish sentiment suggests a decline in the asset. Euro USD 1.054 right now. I think that the USD currency, we're seeing a lot of money hoarding right now. Money is rotating out of a lot of assets and into either bonds and into cash, and increasing the US dollar strength. So I see, due to these economic events, 1.045 is my price target for this week. USD JPY, if we know, USD JPY is usually used as a safe haven. So right now we're at 149.31. Sorry. I see us going and hitting 150 either this week or next week. Gold, love gold. Right now 1874.39. It is declining. Again, money's rotating out of all of these assets, and I see a lot of hoarding right now in cash, which is going to strengthen USD currency, but is decreasing in commodities. So commodities is seeing a hit right now. Gold may decline as investors seek other safe havens. So I'm looking for a price prediction somewhere around 1860. Bitcoin has become, or is starting to trend as a safe haven for the newer generation, new money, and a lot of speculation is going on right now. So with that being said, Bitcoin right now at 26,514. I'm seeing possible hits of 27,000 on the north side by week's end or next week, possibly. All right. And every analysis and every video, we like to give one interesting fact in the trading world, not just the trading world, but just money overall. Circle of Wealth is not just about trading, guys. It's actually a money hack channel. It's a channel where we talk about all forms of passive income, e-commerce, ways of making finances, money in the new generation, right? So we speak about businesses that require little capital to start. For instance, we speak about the tax business that we have, Max Tax, which is a tax company that we have started that helps people become independent contractors and start their own tax organizations. I have a couple of, actually I have 26 affiliates right now that have started with us about 6-8 years ago. Some of them are 6-7 figure earners. I'm actually going to do a podcast next week with Boniface Agunti, and I'm bringing one of my proteges who has definitely hit 6 figures this year, last 3-4 years in his 3 offices that they have with us with Max Tax. But that's a whole nother topic. I'm going to be doing more videos on that. But again, we like to go over one trading fact for the day. So today was, did you know that the Dow Jones Industrial Average was first calculated on May 26, 1896 and originally consisted of just 12 companies? Fascinating to know how far it's come, because a lot of people don't know this, but they're trading US 30. Everybody screams out US 30 in the Forex world, and then obviously Dow Jones Industrial Average in the finance and equities world, but don't even understand what the index is and don't even understand what it's comprised of. Apple, John Deere, all of the different stocks that are, or companies that it is an average of. So you want to definitely know where those stocks and those companies are in terms of a financial perspective, because it helps dictate and navigate what is the market sentiment of that particular index that we're trading, which is Dow Jones Industrial Average, or aka US 30, right? All right, so let's jump on the charts, guys, and look at some of these. So US 30, 33.2. So here we are, US 30, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Price prediction is 33,000. I like to label out and be very organized in my structure in my trading plan. It's very important. Organization favors the successful. I definitely think so. And if you don't know, guys, this is the CWG algo. Everything is painted for me. I'll just show you a quick glance at that. Nothing's on the chart. And what it does, we built this to help all traders from novice to expert traders, because essentially it's giving you predicted price points based on institutional order flow. If you don't know what that is, you definitely need to get very acclimated with that. Institutional order flow is extremely important in trading, and it's what I base my trading around. It's, guys, it's, everyone talks about technical analysis, you know, trend lines and the fib is here, or this is the reversal zone, or whatever the case may be. That's cool, good, and great, and a lot of that does hold a lot of weight, but I'll be very honest with you, it's not a scalable strategy. You need to be looking at the fundamentals, and that's what we talk about a lot. The fundamentals in confluence and in harmony with the technical. When they come in, I like to call it a holy matrimony together, and you're seeing inclinations on both sides of a possible price movement. That is where we like to jump in and leverage those trades. All right. So, and if you're in the circle of wealth, you would have seen, I actually called it like a week ago. So last week I gave a bearish sentiment. This was on the 25th. Definitely gave a bearish sentiment. I'm sorry, not last week. This was Monday. Bearish sentiment. My price target was 33.5 from 33.895, which we clearly hit the week before. Again, also with the CWG algo, gave us a beautiful inclination on the VIX. VIX was increasing, meaning fear and uncertainty was definitely getting injected into the markets, which gave us an inclination we're going to have a huge reversal. That buy signal on the VIX let me know that we're about to sell off on the US 30, and other factors, a lot of other factors fundamentally, but technically this is what I used or helped me catch that trade, right? And then this reversal pattern here as well. If you don't know the CWG algo, it also is a reversal pattern recognition learning software. So here, these green squares are a reversal patterns, a morning star and an evening star right here. If it's a red square with this red top here, gives an inclination we're about to have a huge fall or a huge drop in price. As you can see here, price fell, was hugely immensely oversold with these white candlesticks coming in hot, as we like to coin it, and then we had a reversal pattern again, and then boom, up to the upside. Morning star, overbought candlesticks here, giving us an inclination that we're about to have a U-turn and that price is exhausted. All right, we give analysis on all of the economic events that are coming out for the week, what they are, what they possibly are going to come out to be, and if it's good, this is how it's going to affect these assets. If it's bad, this is how it's going to affect these assets. Try to simplify everything as much as we can in layman terms, right? And if you look here, guys, on the 19th, again, we spoke about the market sentiment for the price point target. This was very successful. Price at 34,450. We saw a price target at 34,200. Definitely hit. Right, so the algo is giving us great results, and it's a wonderful tool to lean on in your trading journey. Next, we look at SPYs, 426.05, price target 420. Looking for a price target of 420 in this area for the same sentiment. Euro USD looking for market sentiment, something to, or market movement, something like this. Price target 104.5. 104.5. I believe we're going to see some kind of resistance on the backside of this structure where price has a huge imbalance in the market. And again, guys, the CWG algo draws this off for you. I'll show you that right now. Blank. Done. Nothing on the screen, and everything is drawn. The imbalances, the take profits, reversal bands. These reversal bands here where price is staying inside of those reversal bands, which gives us a bearish environment. Also another indication of price movement. And I believe that we're going to see price movement down to 104.5. Again, US dollar is strengthening because of the components we spoke about earlier. All right, USD JPY 149.31. Again, my prediction is because of what's going on with the US dollar. Again, like I said, a USD JPY is a safe haven. A lot of times in these times of disparity, when there is fear and uncertainty in the market, like I showed you guys, the VIX is rising significantly. I think it was at like 15 last week. Now it's at almost 19, 18 and change. What was it exactly? 18.61. All right. So 149.31. Price prediction is 150. So I think we're going to hit 150. If you were in the circle of wealth, you would have saw the price prediction from, I think it was 2 weeks ago. And we caught this entire run. Huge bullish environment. Looking at the reversal bands, prices basically using them as a dynamic level of support, and then you had these huge imbalances in the market as well that became reversal zones for price. And again, the fundamentals behind this was the fear and uncertainty in dollars. A lot of quartering right now, right? Cash is king right now. A lot of the institutional players are staying very cash heavy right now, waiting for some form of huge capitulation to buy up this market. As you can see here, guys, huge imbalance in the market at this price point around 147.552 to 147.832. Huge imbalance in the market. Price struggled, came back, used it as a form of resistance, came back, used it as a form of support right here, and took off to the north side, which we spoke about like 2 weeks ago. Let me see when it was, around the 23rd of September. Yep. And if you look here, guys, I posted this on the 19th. Crazy. Normal occurrence. On the 19th, my bearish sentiment about what's going on in the market. Price was at 147.83. My price predictions was 148.2. And I mean, we shot past that. 148.2 is right here. That was at take profit 2. I mean, we've shot past all 3 take profits. That was on the 19th. And then this was actually my exact trade that I took. And I showed you guys, if you're in the chat, I think I showed, yeah, these were my trades. It was a really successful week, almost $7,000. And I mean, I think I traded one time for that week. One day, I mean, that week. So it was a good week. It was a great week. Right? Again, guys, all of these are free and they're in the circle of wealth. Jump into the Discord, links below. Share this with a friend, anyone who's trading right now. It's free to jump in. Like I said, I'll give out my signals, my trades, and whatever. The only thing that you can invest in right now, guys, is the CWG Algo membership. With that comes a lot of my basic training in trading in terms of options and Forex and things of that nature. You also get the indicator with it that you see on the screen. You get this indicator with it. Again, if you are a new trader, you don't have to know anything about technical analysis, right? It's going to mark it up for you. The chart is going to be marked up for you. You're going to have your take profits, where you should enter, where your stop loss should be, and these are your 3 take profits based on your level of risk. You can pick one of them. Now, are you going to be rich overnight? No. Anybody who is telling you, hey, make $10 million or $10,000 or I'm a $10 million trader, it's bullshit. And they're just trying to sell you something. Anyone who is telling you, I'm a $10 million trader, bullshit. Anyone who is showcasing, yo, I'm an 8-figure trader, like it's usually bullshit, guys. And it annoys me, to be honest with you. It's not an overnight process. It is something you have to really invest in time, energy, and effort. And can it be sustainable? Yes, 100%. I'm a living proof record of it. But is it an overnight get rich quick scheme? It's not, guys. It's not. So don't believe in that. But it's definitely another form of supplementing your income, I believe. All right, guys. So that's that. But yeah, we spoke about gold. Sorry, gold and Bitcoin. Let me go over gold really quick. Gold right now is at 1874.39. Again, my price point is 1860. See where that is, or my price target, I should say, which we already hit. We already hit 1860, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit that, go further and blow that out. As you can see, the algo was completely right on this trade. Entry was at 1930. We caught over 4,000 pips on this one trade with gold. I wasn't in this sell. It would have over leveraged my account, but a lot of the traders who are in the group were in this sell and made a lot of money on this drop, but I wasn't in on this gold sell at all. But again, everything is drawn for you with the algo. I really, really, truly believe in it. I love it. It's not like anything I've seen on the market. This year is going to mark my 15-year anniversary of trading. Finances, if you don't know, I used to be a banker at SunTrust, and I've been trading ever since. My mother actually got me into the industry, and it's been wonderful. There's definitely been a lot of bumps, a lot of challenging days and nights, and huge losses and huge wins as well. But I love it. It's something that has set me free financially in a way that none of my businesses have. Well, except Max Tax. Max Tax has been very, very fruitful, extremely fruitful. But again, guys, that's my targets for this upcoming week. That was basic, and we went over what we hit on last week in terms of the predictions and what was right, what was wrong. So tune in for these videos, guys. I'm going to be dropping these probably every 2 days. I'm going to try and do them daily. I'm going to try, but my schedule is very, very tight. So it's very hard for me to do them daily. But tune in, give me some more comments. What do you like? What do you not like? What pairs do you want to go over? What do you want to talk about? It can be about anything, really. We're going to be talking about, again, another business that I believe in for people who are like myself. We're trying to find other avenues of passive income, which is the tax industry, which we have a whole business that sets people up in that industry. And I'm actually doing a podcast this week with my friend Boniface Agunti. Check him out. Very successful friend of mine. He's started a new podcast interviewing a lot of celebrities and a lot of influencers, things like that, in Miami South Beach on Sunny Isles. So I'll be there this week. So tune in for that and follow me on all social medias. My handle again, KC_CWG. Should see it on the screen somewhere. Right here, there, down, somewhere like that. Jump into the Discord, guys. It's free. Come and chat with us. Come and trade with us. Come and talk about money with us. Things of that nature. And also check out CWGalgo.com. Right now, there is a flash sale going on, guys. Super, super cheap right now. It's a Netflix charge almost, and it definitely pays for itself. The testimonies are on the site and in the group of the wins and on your screen. As you can see, let me put it on. As you can see, we've seen like between 86 to 82% accuracy ratio with the algo in terms of the indexes in gold, right? I can't tell you what the accuracy rating is on all the other Forex pairs and things of that nature, but because it is based on institutional order flow, it is customized to give us great price predictions on the indexes and gold for those reasons exactly, if you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm going to do more videos. I've gotten a lot of inbox messages about institutional order flow and things of that nature, so I'm going to be doing some videos about that. Again, it's also in the course in the CWG Trading University below. Check it out. Tell me what you guys like. Give this video a like if you are one of the traders who actually use some of these price predictions. If you use the algo, like it, don't like it, let me know. Good, bad, I don't care. I want to hear it. All right. So till next video, I'll see you guys again. Boy KC, I'm out.